Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So today I am making a really easy and super tasty potato egg paratha. Crispy on the outside, soft inside and full of flavor. So let's make the recipe. First I am preparing the egg mixture. In a bowl I am adding 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, 2 chopped green chilies, 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves. Now I will add half teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. Finally, I am cracking 2 eggs. Now I will mix everything really well. Just look at those colors, it's already looks so good. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Your comments inspire me to make new recipes. Now let's make the dough. In another bowl, I am taking 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Now I am grating 1 boiled potato. Grating the potato helps it mix evenly into the dough. Now I will add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. I will mix everything very well. You will notice the potato already makes the flour feel soft. Now I am adding water little by little and slowly bringing everything together into a dough. Don't pour all the water at once because potato already has moisture. Now I will knead it for few minutes until the dough becomes smooth and soft. Now I am taking a portion of the dough and rolling into a flat round shape. Not too thin because we want a soft inside. Now I am sprinkling some sesame seeds and some black seeds on top. Then I will gently press them so they stick properly while cooking. This also makes the paratha look really nice after frying. Now I will place the paratha onto a fry pan. I am cooking the paratha on medium heat until both sides turn nice and golden. Once one side is nicely cooked and golden, I will carefully flip it and cook the other side the same way. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of oil and fry both sides until golden. Now I will pour some of the egg mixture like this. You will see the egg is starting to cook slowly and the smell at this stage is so good. Once the bottom becomes golden, I will carefully flip it. Now I will cook the other side as well until both sides become golden, crispy and perfectly cooked. And yes, the potato egg paratha is finally ready. Just look at that, crispy edges, soft inside and so much flavor. This tastes amazing with ketchup or just a cup of tea. This is one of those simple homemade recipes that feels really comforting. Do try this at home. And when you do, let me know in the comments how it turned out. See you in the next delicious recipe.